creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill.
The important step, and here is an example of how to bypass this final step. In these cases, you can choose any easy app or game that you can download or install. For example, I choose to download Travel Town game and complete level 9. Because this game asked me to download and complete level 9 to unlock the resources. Make sure you read the instruction of any app or game first, before you download. After downloaded, you need to play this game until you reach level 9 before you can close this game. Guide. It's very easy and really enjoy with this game. Don't worry, it's not take long time. Guy, just trust me and follow all the instructions step by step. Do not skip any step to get your resources. We do this because our system got a lot of traffic every day. We need to make sure you're the real human, not a software or robot. Okay guys, now we reached level 9 of the game. It's mean we passed the step 1. Now just close this game and open the browser again to download the second app or game. Don't forget to read the instruction of them. In this last step, I choose to download Coin Master, and this game asked me download and raid, attack and play with online friends and complete Village 3 of the game. It's so easy to do it. Let's do together. Let's open the game and play this fun game. It's a really fun game that I recommend to you guys. This game is really fun to play with your online friends. You can attack their village, and so many fun on this game. Play this fun game by clicking the spin button to attack your friends. You need coin to upgrade your village to reach level 3, and if you run out of the coin, you can attack your friend village to get their coin, and if you run out of spin, you can connect your Facebook account then invite to friends to get free spins. Because you need some coin to unlock level 3 of the game to unlock your resources. Okay! Now just play this fun game by clicking the spin button with me in order to get free coin for upgrade our village to level 3. It's a really fun game. I go to attack my friend's village, so fun. As you can see, now we are in the village 2. We need to upgrade to village 3 now. Congratulations, now you passed the final step. Just close your browser now and go back to check your resources again. If your resources not growing, do not worry. Sometimes the system can take up to 4 hours to adding resources to your account.